Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to redeem or activate your gift card on Kroger. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar, type in giftcards.kroger.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Kroger gift cards website. You can click on the sign in/sign up button at the top right corner and proceed forward with your email address and your password to log into your account. After logging in from the homepage, click on the Activate Pickup Gift Cards option, and this will now take you into the activation or redemption page. Just enter your UPC number within the UPC number section and then enter the barcode number underneath within the given box. If you are having trouble to find these numbers, click on the Help Me Find These Numbers option and you will be given the instructions in order to find these credentials. After entering both of these, click on the Add Card option and now your gift card will be added within your Kroger account right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to activate or redeem your gift card on Kroger. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.